wind howled down from the Tetons. Bit right through my old coat. Ouch. Snowflakes dancing on the window pane. Ooh, yeah. A memory catching in my throat.
Christmas Eve just like a picture from a time long past and gone. Mama's pie on the wooden table, yum. Singing carols till the dawn.
Whoa, Wyoming Christmas, wild and free. Ooh, yeah.
A part of my heart it will always be.
Whoa, friends and family gathered round the sweetest kind of joyful sound. Wyoming Christmas stars so bright, ooh, shine down on us through the winter night. Ooh, ooh.
Grandpa's stories by the fire glow, of cattle drives and mountain trails.
He'd carved us little wooden horses before the winter games.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
We'd wake to see the fresh tracks outside, deer and rabbits soft and deep, the quiet magic of the morning while the whole wide world still slept.
Yeah. Whoa, Wyoming Christmas, wild and free. Ooh, yeah.
A part of my heart it will always be.
Whoa, friends and family gathered around the sweetest kind of joyful sound. Wyoming Christmas stars so bright, ooh, shine down on us through the winter night. Ooh, ooh.
Years have passed and roads I've traveled, seen a lot of different lights.
Ooh, yeah.
But nothing shines quite like that feeling of those Wyoming Christmas nights.
Whoa.
A simple love and honest laughter echoes through the frost-kissed air.
Hey.
A piece of home I carry with me, always and everywhere.
Oh, Wyoming Christmas, wild and free. Ooh, yeah.
A part of my heart